I will tell you how to make product animations from the beginning using Canva. Let's dive into Canva tips and tricks. First, go to Create a Design and then search for Facebook. After that, click on Facebook Post, Square. This will give you a blank whiteboard with the Facebook post square size. Next, go to the Colors section and change the background color to yellow. When you're done, take a circle element, adjust its size, and change its color. Duplicate the circle, decrease its size, and change its color each time. Repeat the process, duplicate, decrease the size, and change the color. Remember to always decrease the size of each duplicate. Bingo, you're done. Now I will search for shoes and pick one. Let's say I choose this one as my fifth choice. After that, I will go to Edit Image and remove its background. Then, I will make some adjustments to it. Next, I will select all of these elements together and go to Animations. I'll choose the pop-up animation and decrease its duration. Our product animation is ready. To save it, click on the Share button and download it as a MP4 video file. Here is our final result. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thank you.